Hello, thank you for sending in your question. I just want to get right into answering that. Question you have about the pages and layer sliders that you have in the page there. So we'll just open up the page to look at it real quick. And here it looks like this is going to be the banner, and of course this is the body portion of it. So to affect any part of this, you would need to just go to the options for this, because the only thing that the page affects would be from here down. There might be times where there might be some options within the theme itself to allow you to turn on and off this, or turn on and off the footer. This is the footer area, but in most cases it's just the theme that will affect these areas. So with that said, with layers, with the Makalu theme, right here is a layer slider, so you definitely always want to check your dashboard to kind of give you an overview of what options you can and cannot affect. Some things may be hidden, like page navi, or other things may be hidden inside of here. So definitely get familiar with what's your options within here. But layer slider is where the header here is affected. And so if we, for example, look at this one, that is this particular slider here. And of course, if we preview it, you'll see what it would normally look like if it is active on a page. And these are the transitions that it goes through. And these are all the different options. So as you see, they're all properly labeled: TV, woman, heading 1, heading 2, text, and button. So everything is kind of created and manipulated through here. So with that said, my best suggestion for you is, especially with having demo content, is to pick one of the particular demos that may closely match what you're looking to have on the site itself, and go in and start editing it. So you can click on this one, for example. And we'll just look at it in preview sort of mode. You notice that there's a timer here. And then this one has this particular transition effect turned on. So just study or look over what effects or what options are in here to try and match up the effects that are going on within the slider. This one only has one layer, and it seems like everything is done through here, and that there are 3 slides. So if when click on the enter preview, you notice that there's 3 different motions that it will go through. It's because there are 3 options here, and you're just changing the type of transition it's using. You can also add extra slides, so it would go from being 3 separate images to 4 or 5, or whatever the images may be. There's also global settings here that has a lot of the options that will control the slider, such as responsiveness or even animations. So this is exactly where you want to go, and you would want to go into the page to enable the slider and select which slide, which is why that there is a name for each one of the sliders. We're just going to go back and take a quick look. See, there's ID, which is 1, Makalu, and this is the shortcode for it. So that means you can just copy and paste this shortcode here, just this portion. So from the outside bracket to the outside bracket, you would copy that and you would enter that in on a page, unless the theme itself just asks you from a drop-down menu which one to select. Thank you very much. And if you have any further questions, let me know. Thank you.